Diyan ka na lang, no? Diyan ka na lang. Wow.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ang content natin ngayon ay about sa yung pusa.
Are you pretty? Look at here. Look at here. Wow, what a beautiful eyes. Oo. Here. Anto ka? Look at here. Look at here. No, you don't want. Look at here. Gorgeous. Bye. I'm gonna close the door now. I'm gonna close the door. Diyan ka na lang, ha? Diyan ka na lang. Ha? Look at here. Wow. Ganda naman ng eyes. Bye. No. Dito ka sa labas. Dito sa labas. Dito. Yun. Good girl. Babae ka ba? Bye. Ganda ng langit. Ganda ng araw ngayon. Bye. I'm gonna close the door na. I'm gonna sleep. Later na lang papakainin kita. Diyan ka na lang, no? Diyan ka na lang. Wow. Oo. No. Don't go there. Hi, good morning. Oh, huwag kang pumasok. You're so clingy. Where are you? Uy, huwag kang pumasok. Dito ka, labas! Thank you for watching. Just click and subscribe. Bye!